welcome to MT Kids. Hi friends, this is Ajay the little chef here and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to make Dark Fantasy Milkshake. The needed ingredients are Dark Fantasy biscuit, honey, chocolate syrup, milk and 2 scoops of ice cream. In the blender I am going to add this all Dark Fantasy, milk, two scoops of ice cream, honey, chocolate syrup, and now I am going to blend it. Now I am going to transfer it into a jar. The Dark Fantasy Milkshake is ready. Now I am going to taste it. Wow, the milkshake is so yummy. Everyone should try it at your home. Thanks for watching.